Peacock babies are super cute. If you see them, you will love them for sure. Remember that. Don't touch their eggs or babies without permission, because you will have to pay. The male peacocks always try to protect their family. Even if you touch their eggs, they will fight you and don't let you go. They lay a lot of eggs in one place. Peahens lay one per day, and after some time it will look like this. You have to remember, don't touch the eggs without permission. Peahens take care of the family really well. At first, peacock babies look like baby chicken, but after some times they will be like this. Peacock can fly, but not much. Mostly we see it on the ground like this. Peacock family usually goes together so that the male can take care of the whole family. Normally, they are very friendly. Only when you touch their eggs or children, they will be quite aggressive. In a free-range farm like this, peacock can lay eggs anywhere. But normally it lays in one place. And again, remember, never touch the eggs without their permission. They will do their best to take back. No matter who you are, no matter where you are. However, normally they are very friendly. They can play with you. You can train them how to fly. Only one thing I have to remind you, which is, don't steal their eggs. Don't think that they can't see. They see, they know, and they will take back.